Duol mochung' ne riwo wi Uganda e thurka koro biro guro ohinga mar kwee kind tong ma Kericho gi Kisumu mar yango okang' ma osego e kelo kwee e kind dhoudi ariyo ma odak e gwengego. Jakom mar NCIC Samuel Kobia lero ni Uganda mathoth e pacho ka osebedo kod ywaruok ahinya to kaluwore kod ywaruok mag tong'. Kaka jafwambo marwa Eric Owenga lero, NCIC bende koro hum nono ka medruok kweth mag njore dipo ni ntiere e thurkae.
The first time that a person was killed because of ethnic conflict in Sondu area was in 1929.
Jodak ma Sondu osebedo ka kale lweny mag laro tong' e kind Kisumu kod Kericho. Lweny no ma bende kinde ka kinde oseweyo jopiny ka owito ngimagi ka mamoko bende yudo hinyruok. E wi mano, duol mochung' ne riwo wi jo Kenya NCIC lero ni gichano keto ranyisi makare mar kwee tok jokanyo ka achiel kod jotelo chopo e winjruok mar keto kwee.
A peace commitment framework was signed by the Kisumu governor, His Excellency Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, and his counterpart in Kericho, Governor His Excellency Dr. Eric Mutai, who committed to support the Sondu peace process towards lasting peace among communities in the area. The two governors agreed to work with the NCIC to establish a peace park and a peace monument in the area. By July, before the end of July, we will have this peace park and a peace monument. The peace monument will describe the number of persons who have been killed because of ethnic conflict in this area. The Commission has taken charge to ensure that recently witnessed violent conflict along the border of Transmara South and Ntimaro sub-counties in Narok and Migori counties is addressed. The Commission is currently spearheading dialogue and reconciliation meetings between the conflicting communities.
I think quite a lot is happening because before we never really spent a lot of time there, but now we've spent, and the local elders have themselves with us that peace is coming along. As a result, they have even released the cattle that they were holding.
Ebunda alamanok mokalo litma siasa sobedo ka idho e thurka ka jalo jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua bende wokoko kendo temo geng'o jotelo ma osiko limo gwenge mamoko e pacho ka siasa. NCIC to yango ni jo Kenya moro amora ni thuolo mar limo kamoro amora e thurka.
Kenyans have the freedom to go anywhere in the country whenever they want, and they provided that, of course, all this is being done within the law.
Kobia gilangi bende donjire kod wach mar romo yande obagi county ma Kiambu ma bende notise kaka Limuru 3 kwacho ni gisechako timo nonro e wi weche moko ma wachore ni jotelo moko nopuso dhogi e yo ma ok owinjore.
We have taken what was said in Limuru 3 very seriously. We are investigating. We have instructed our investigation team to now look at what was said by who, so that we can take it up, because if then it happens that there were utterance that would equal to etc., then we will take it up. So investigations are already underway.
Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.